In the fast-paced world of online business, the struggle is real. Picture this. You're passionate about your digital products, but without the right tools, you're facing a sea of challenges that Samcart can help you overcome. What if I told you that not having the right e-commerce platform is more than just a hurdle, it's a roadblock? In today's competitive landscape, a lack of streamlined processes can leave you trailing behind. And it gets worse. Imagine the stress of not being able to maximize your customer value, struggling to boost conversions, and constantly worrying about the technology that should be working for you, not against you. But fear not, because there's a solution that's changing the game for online entrepreneurs just like you. Enter Samcart, the e-commerce platform designed to help you sell more, grow faster, and stress less. With Samcart, you're not just getting a platform, you're getting a partner in your success. Samcart isn't just a pretty face, it's the powerhouse you need for building, operating, scaling, and monetizing your online business. They understand that your focus should be on delivering results for your customers and their goals. Samcart empowers you to do just that. With Samcart, you're not alone. Their user-friendly interface ensures that you can navigate with ease, and when you need it, their dedicated team is ready to provide guidance, support, and troubleshooting. Samcart is more than a platform. It's a community that supports your journey. Don't let outdated technology hold you back. It's time to take control of your online business with Samcart. Click the link in the description to unlock a world of possibilities, boost your conversions, and stress less with Samcart by your side. Your success story starts with Samcart. Click the link below to transform your online business with Samcart.